KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV travel? Interesting. Tour to Langkawi? That's even more interesting. I can actually go sightseeing, I can go to the beach. Oh, it'll be so fun. I gotta book now, but there's only 40 seats available, and right now, 3/4 seats already booked? 3/4 seats? Wait, that means how many is left? Tuned in to Didik TV KPM for our slot Tahap 2 today with me, Syafiqah Farahin. And for the whole half an hour, we'll be learning a very interesting subject. That is Mathematics DLP. And as you can see from the profile just now, we have one of our favorite math teacher here with me in the studio. Welcome, Mr. Ragu.
Hi, how are you?
How are you, Mr. Ragu?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Now today, I'm looking forward to learning about our title, which is Value of Fraction, right,
Exactly,
Mr. Ragu?
yes.
But as usual, we have our sign language interpreter here in the studio, who is none other than teacher Nur Ilda Kamaruzaman from IPG Campus Ilmu Khas Kuala Lumpur. Hi, teacher Ilda. How are you? Alright, great. Thanks for being with us. Now, of course, without our pupils, how is our lesson going to be? Less interesting. Now, let's have them here in the studio right now. Hello, pupils. Wow, everyone is looking excellent today. We have 4 pupils from 4 different schools, right, Mr. Ragu?
Exactly, from 2 different schools.
2 different schools. Okay, let's introduce them.
Okay, the first student is Umaira from SK Umaira from SK Bukit Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur. Hi, Umaira.
Hi, Umaira.
Okay, the second kid today is Alicia from SK Bukit Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur. Hi, Alicia.
Hi, Alicia. Welcome.
Okay, the next people is Tina from SK Bukit Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur. Hi, Tina.
Hi, Tina.
Okay, the last but not least is Irfan from SK Bandar Tun Hussein on to Selangor. Hi, Irfan.
Hi, Irfan. Welcome to the TV. Alright, now Mr. Ragu, now that we've known our pupils, our sign language interpreter, how do we start our class for today?
Okay, we're going to learn about a value of a fraction. Before that, we must know what is fraction.
What is it?
Okay, and what are the types of fraction? Okay, we have 2 types of fraction, which is proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, 3/5 is a proper fraction. Why I call it proper fraction? Because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. You will ask me, if the numerator is bigger than the denominator,
yes.
What fraction is that?
That should be the improper fraction.
Exactly, improper fraction is like 4/3. Where the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Okay,
and
Mr.
we have one more number, which is mixed number. Why we call it mixed number? We have a whole number plus a fraction. 3 whole and plus a fraction. So this is what we call mixed number.
Mixed number, but how do you pronounce that?
Okay, we pronounce this as 3/1/2. 3/1/2.
Okay, yes. Mr. Ragu.
Okay, let's test the kids whether they know or not this.
Okay, alright.
Okay, Umaira. 1/4. Is it a proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed number?
Proper fraction.
Very good, Umaira. Oh, very good. Well done, Umaira. Okay. Tina.
Next. Tina.
2/1/5. Is it a proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed number?
Mixed number.
Very good, Tina. Well done.
Well done.
Okay, Irfan. 4/5. Is it a proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed number?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. 4/5.
Proper.
Very good. Proper fraction. Okay, Alicia. 6/1/3.
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction?
Mixed number.
Mixed
you
number.
got it right.
Very good, Alicia. Okay,
was
so they
great.
can identify what type of numbers is it. I think we can go for the lesson.
Okay, let's go for the lesson, Mr. Ragu. But before that, I would like to ask the people at home, do you understand so far improper fraction, proper fraction and mixed numbers? Not mixed fraction, right, Mr. Ragu?
No, mixed number.
Right, okay, so know the difference and know how the examples are, right? Okay, before we move on, Mr.
Alright.
Ragu, are we going for a short break?
Can.
Yes, let's go for a short break and we'll be right back here on Mathematics DLP for Tahap 2.
Didik TV KPM.
Hello pupils, welcome back to Didik TV KPM for our Tahap 2 slot. Now, before we proceed, I have a question for Mr. Ragu. In another segment previously, where you can also find on our YouTube channel, I was looking at a travel poster, Mr. Ragu.
Yes, you're having problem.
Yes, I was having a bit of an issue because I saw that 3/4 seats were already booked.
Okay,
Now,
so what
does
do you want
that
to know
mean?
now? How many seats left, is it?
Yes, how many seats are
Okay, let
left?
me explain to you. This is related with our topic today. Okay, 3/4 of 40 is booked. Okay, so how we do this? These 40 seats, we break it into 4 parts. Okay, this is 40 seats. We break it into 4 parts.
4 parts.
So 40 divided with 4, you will get 10, 10, 10, 10. Altogether 40. So what the advertisement told you just now is 3/4 is booked. Means this is booked. 1, 2, 3. 3 part of 4.
Oh,
So if this is booked means 30 seat been booked.
okay.
So how many left?
10.
Yes.
10
So
seats
this is how we
left.
calculate 3/4 of 40. We have another one more method to calculate where we use standard written method. Okay, 3/4 of 40 we change it to times 40. Then we simplify 4 and 40 we can simplify with 4. 4 divided with 4 1. 40 divided with 4 10. 3 times 10 is 30. Means 30 seat already booked. So the left is 40 minus 30, you get 10 seats.
So it
So-
doesn't end there. Don't forget to
Exactly.
minus 30 from 40.
Yes. So you have another 10 more seat, you better book fast.
Yes, I should. But, Mr. Ragu,
Yeah.
how do you say it in fraction terms, the 10 seats left? If I want to say 3/4 booked, then how many
1/4 left.
1/4.
Yes, altogether is 4/4. 3/4 is booked, so 1/4 left.
Thank you for the explanation, Mr.
Alright.
Ragu. Now, let's proceed with our lesson today.
Okay, let me explain with using rulers. Okay. Okay, let's say we want to count 1/2 of 20 rulers. Okay, 1/2 of 20 rulers.
Okay.
We have 20 rulers here.
Alright.
1/2 means half.
Half.
So we break this ruler into 2 groups. Okay, so we break here 1, here 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1.
Wow.
1, 1.
I
One
wonder
year,
if it involves a
1 year.
bigger number.
1
How
year,
do we do this?
1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1, 1, and 1 year, and 1 year. So now
Finally done.
we break it into 2 groups already.
Uh-huh.
So 1/2 means half of one big group.
Okay.
So how many we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
So half of 20 is 10.
Right.
Okay, now let's use the sharpener.
All right, let's
Okay.
use the sharpener.
Okay, our question here is 2/5 of 20 sharpeners.
2/5 of 20 sharpeners.
So what we have to do, we have to group it in 5.
Okay.
Okay, Shafiqah, maybe
Let's
you can
do
help
that.
me.
Okay, let's
5
have
in a group.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're seeing this.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going fast here. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. So we
Okay,
have 5
now we
sets
group
of
it into
4.
5. So what I want is 2/5. Means I want 2 groups.
Okay.
So how many is that?
So that means I'll take 2 groups of
Yes.
here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. So 2/5 of 20 is A.
Oh, that's how you do
Now let me
it.
explain you using standard written method. Okay.
Now, Mr. Ragu, I believe when we use the standard written method, it's easier for bigger numbers, right?
Exactly. This is for me to show the concept. How do we calculate a value of a fraction?
All right, Mr. Ragu.
Of a value. All right. 2 over 5 of 20, we change it to multiply with 20. So what we do, we can simplify here. 5 divide with 5, 1. 20 divide with 5, 4. So 2 times 4, we get 8. So where we get 8 sharpeners just now.
Yes.
And the ruler is
1 over
1
2.
over 2 of
20.
20. So here I divide with 2, 1. Divide with 2, I get 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. So half of 20 is 10. This is how we calculate using standard written method.
I see. All right, Mr.
Okay,
Ragu.
let's ask the kids at home. Do they understand?
Yes, they should be hearing us right now. Are you pupils okay online?
If you're okay, thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.
I think,
Alright.
Shafika, we need to test them.
We do need to.
Okay,
What's
we
the
have to
first
give them a
question?
task. Okay, we have balloons here. We have
Oh.
4 colors of balloon.
Okay.
Okay, what they have to do is they have to choose their favorite color.
Okay.
And then there is a question inside the balloon.
So that means I have to pop it, right? Mr.
Yes.
Ragu? Okay.
Okay. Let's, Tina, what color do you want?
Red.
Red.
Red. Okay.
I think you can.
Let me just go over there to get your question.
Okay. Oh, that's the question.
Okay, that's the
Right.
question. Wow, very dramatic. All right, Tina, if you can hear me, I'll show you here. 1 over 5 of 10 equals to...
Okay, Tina, you can start calculate now. Okay, Alicia, what color do you want?
Orange.
Orange, okay.
Ooh, that's a question.
Wow. I feel like it's my birthday, Mr. Ragu. Okay, Alicia, this is for you. 1 over 3 of 90 equals to... 1 over 3 of 90 equals to... Alright, write this down, yeah, Alicia? Okay.
Okay.
Can we
good.
move on?
All right.
Right.
Irfan, you can choose your color, Irfan.
Green.
Green.
Green, okay. Alright, I think the
Yeah,
question
the question
flew
is here.
somewhere else.
Alright.
Wow, okay. So Irfan, this is for you. Next we have, okay, 1 over 4 of 60. 1 over 4 of 60 equals to... Alright. Okay, do you got that? Okay, alright,
Okay,
great.
okay.
Alright, let's have this. The question is
Oh, yeah.
there, Mr. Ragu. Okay, let's have this for Umaira. Your question is 3 over 5 of 100 equals to? 3 over 5 of 100 equals to? Alright, okay. So now that we've got all the questions.
I think kids, if you have got your answer, please show me your thumbs up.
Aha, you got it?
Okay, I think they are ready, most of them.
Okay.
Tina, can you explain your answer, Tina?
One over 5 times 10. First, I take 5 divided by 5, I get 1. 10 divided by 5, I get 2. So 2 times with 1, I get 2.
Very good, Tina. Thank you for the correct answer. Shafika, I think
Wow.
we should reward them.
Yeah, she got it right, right?
Yes, she got right. So we give her one smiling face.
Wow, one
Congrats,
smiley
Tina.
for Tina. Okay, how about the
Okay,
rest?
next, Alicia.
1 over 3 of 90. First, I write 1 over 3 times 90 over 1. Then I simplify 3 times 1 equals to 3. 3 times 30 equals to 90. So the answer is 1 times 30 equals to 30.
Very good, Alicia. Thank you for the correct answer. I think we
Good
should reward her
job.
also.
Yes, one smiley for Alicia. Right.
Okay. All right, next, who going to explain?
Can
Umaira
we
or Irfan?
have Irfan?
Who going first? Umaira. Okay, Umaira.
All right.
3 over 5 of 100. 3 over 5 times 100. So 100 divided by 5 equals to 20, and 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. 20 times 3 equals to 60.
Very good, Umaira. They are doing good.
Yes,
I think we should
pupils
give
are
her
doing
one
great.
smiling face
One
for
smiling.
Umaira.
And last but not
Okay, the
least-
last but not least, Irfan. The floor
Your
is
turn.
yours.
1 over 4 of 60. 1 over 4 times 60. First, I divide 4 with 4 equals with 1. 4 divided with 60 equals to 15. So 15 times 1 equals 15.
Very good, Irfan. So 1 over 4 of 60 is 15.
15.
Thank you for the correct
Alright.
answer, and we will give you one
One
smiley
smiley.
face.
All right, that was a great
Okay, actually,
job
Shafika,
done.
fraction
Yes.
is very important in our real life situation. Okay, sometimes we see half price.
Okay.
So, but we don't know what is half price.
Yes.
Okay, so sometimes we must know. Half means is one whole, and we just take half of it. If quarter means one whole,
Quarter, one whole, and then divide into 4.
divide into 4, we take 1 over 4 of it.
Yes.
So this is very important for your real life situation.
And
okay?
also, if you want to go travel, you know how many seats are left.
Very good. Sometimes they
Alright.
trick you with using fractions, okay?
Yes.
All
Okay,
right.
Mr. Ragu, now that we've learned a lot, we have more still to come. So stay tuned to Didik TV KPM. We'll be right back here on Tahap 2.
Didik TV KPM.
Hello everyone, let's get back to class. Today we are learning for Mathematics DLP or Dual Language Program for Year 4 pupils. Now, before we proceed, I have a question that's been lingering in my head. So I'm going to ask Mr. Ragu here. Now, Mr. Ragu, my younger brother's class
Okay.
have 1/2 pupils of my second brother's class.
Okay.
But my second brother's class have 20 pupils overall.
Okay.
So I'm thinking now, how many pupils are in my younger brother's class?
Okay, this is question where mixed number of a value. Okay, so I will use a slide to explain to you
Alright.
more deeply. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's look at the slide. So 1 over 2 of 20 pupils. Am I correct?
betul.
Okay. 1 whole of 20 pupils is 20 pupils. Okay, 1 whole, everything. So yours is 2 whole.
Right.
So 2 whole is 20 plus 20, 40 pupils. And there is another half. Okay? So half of 20 people is 10.
10.
Yes, 10. So how we calculate everything? So 1 over 2 of 20 people is 20 plus 20 plus another 10. 50 people.
Wow.
Yeah.
I hope pupils at home understand this. I understand very clearly.
Okay, that is using a graphic. Now I
Right.
will teach you how to calculate standard written method.
Okay.
Okay. So your
Alright.
problem is 2
1 over 2.
1 over 2 of 20 pupils.
Right.
Okay, so we can change it to multiplication. Okay, when you calculate a mixed number multiply with a whole number, you have to change the mixed number to improper fraction.
Oh.
So how do you change it to improper fraction? The whole number 2 times with the denominator 2. 2 times 2, 4. And you plus with this 1. So 5 over 2 times with 20.
Right.
I'm changing the mixed number into improper fraction. So now I can simplify. Divide with 2, 1. Divide with 2, 10. So 5 times 10 is 50 pupils.
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah, this is how we calculate using standard written method.
That means you have to convert it to improper fraction first.
Exactly, yes.
Alright,
You have to
Mr.
change
Ragu.
it to improper fraction. Let me show you one more example.
All right. So that was one way. This is another way to solve
Okay,
this.
let's say 5, 1 over 5 of 100. Okay, same thing. You have to change this mixed number into improper fraction. 5 times 5, 25, plus 1,
26.
26 over 5 times with 100.
100.
So you can divide here, divide with 5, 1, divide with 5,
20.
20. So what you do, 26 times with 20, you can do here, 26 times with 20. So you bring down the 0, 6 times 2, 12, 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. So the answer is 520.
And 20. Ah,
Yes.
all right.
Another way of calculation, 5 whole. So 5 whole of 100. 1 whole is 100. 5 whole means 500. And another half of 100 is 50. So, 1 over 5 of 100 is 20. So 5, 1 over 2 is 500 plus another 20 is 520.
Ah, okay.
That is how we use visual to calculate,
in
and this
our
is how
head.
we use standard written method to calculate.
Yes, but I believe pupils can also double check using the
Exactly.
standard written method if you're using the visual method.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, let's ask the kids at home. Do they understand how to
Okay.
calculate?
Do you guys understand? If you understand, give me a double thumbs up because we're going to ask you a question.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
test them with some questions. Okay, I have 4 colors of envelopes here. I think the question is inside the envelope. You can choose your envelope color, and Shafika will read the question for you.
All right.
Okay, Tina, what color do you want, Tina?
Green.
Red. Okay, you can read.
Red, wow. I love this color too. Tina, we'll give you a challenge. Why not you try red?
You try this question,
okay?
Tina.
Try, it's a
Okay.
challenge for you, right? Okay, great. Now next, can we have the second pupil,
Okay,
please?
Irfan, what color do you want, Irfan?
Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, all right, Irfan. Here we go with your question. We have 3 over 4 of 80 equals 2. 3 over 4 of 80 equals 2. Now, pupils at home, you can also do this together, all right? Okay, all right. Irfan, you can do your calculations first. Now
Okay,
we go
Alicia,
on to
we have 2
next.
color here, green and yellow. What do you want, Alicia?
Green.
Green.
All right. Green. Alicia, your time is here. Here's your question. 1 over 5 of 40 equals 2. 1 over 5 of 40 equals 2. Okay?
Irfan,
All right. Last but not least,
Irfan,
is
I'm sorry, we only have yellow. Is it okay with you,
Yes.
Irfan?
All right.
Irfan, sir?
I think it was...
Whose question is this?
Irfan already chose. I think it was Humaira.
Humaira. I'm sorry, Humaira. This is your question.
Okay. Let's have Humaira here. All right, Humaira, this is your question. 1 over 2 of 30 equals 2. 1 over 2 of 30 equals 2. All right. Okay, you can start your calculation, yeah?
Okay, Humaira.
All right, you can read out your answer.
1 over 2 of 30. So to get the answer, I have to change the mixed number into an improper fraction first. 2 times 2 equals 4 and 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 over 2 times with 30. 30 divided by 2 equals to 15. And 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. 15 times 5 equals to 75. And that is my answer.
75. Very good, Humaira. Thank
good
you for the correct answer.
job.
We will give 1 smile for Humaira.
Humaira. All right, next. Who is up?
Okay, next. Tina, are you ready, Tina?
1 over 4 times 60. First, I take 4 divided by 4, 3 1 over 4 times 60. First, I take 3 1 over 4, I turn it into an improper fraction. I get 13 over 4 times 60. 4 divided by 4, I get 1. 60 divided by 4, I get 15.
So 15 times 13 is 195.
Very good, Tina.
she got
Thank
it
you for the
right.
correct answer. Yes, it's
Wow,
correct.
good
We shall reward
job.
her with one smiley face.
although it wasn't her chosen
Okay.
colour. Huh?
The next.
Your turn, Alicia.
5 1 over 5 or 40. First, I change the mixed number into improper fraction. Then we write 26 over 5 times 40. Then I simplify 5 divided by 5 is 1. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So my answer is 208.
208 is the correct answer.
Good
Thank you,
job,
Alicia, for the correct
Alicia.
answer.
All right.
Okay,
now
the
last but not
next
least.
is Irfan. Okay, Irfan, the floor is yours.
4/3 over 4 of 80. 4/3 over 4 times 80. First, I need to change the mixed number to simply to improper fraction. First, I times with 4 and 4 equals to 16. And then plus with 3 equals to 19. And then I simplify 4 divided with 4 equals to 1. And then 80 divided with 4 equals to 20. 20 times 19 equals to 380.
380 is the correct answer, Irfan.
Wow,
Thank
good
you,
job,
Irfan.
Now that our pupils have done and answered the questions, can we have the source or where they can get extra materials for pupils watching as well to do revisions for today's class?
Okay, they can get it from the D5 KPM website.
All right. Okay, Mr. Ragu, thank you for that. And also, as we can see here from our scoreboard, how well did our pupils do, Mr.
Yeah,
Ragu?
well done. Everybody's got 2 smiley face. Okay, congrats, kids.
Congratulations, everyone. Now, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Mr. Ragu, thank you for being with us
Most
here
welcome.
and teaching us about fractions. And also, thank you to our sign language interpreter, teacher Ilda. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Bye, everyone.
Okay, we going to